Humpback whales are among the largest animals on Earth, growing up to 55 feet long and weighing up to 80,000 pounds. They are found in every ocean in the world, traveling in pods or groups of 2 to 15 whales. Mothers will stay with their calves for about a year. They are known for their playful and acrobatic behavior. While the cause of this is not certain, it is likely that this is related to communication and mating. Sometimes it seems like they are just trying to entertain people or themselves by jumping through the water, reaching heights of 40 or 50 feet with the tip of their head. They prefer to swim in shallow waters when they are not migrating. This is because they can't breathe underwater but can hold their breath for up to 45 minutes, though usually they'll come up for air every 10 to 15 minutes. When they are migrating, they can be seen swimming at depths of 500 to 700 feet. A humpback whale's diet consists mostly of krill and other small fish, such as herring. Their massive bodies require a lot of food, especially during the winter, when they are not feeding and just live off a stored layer of blubber that keeps them alive during migration or breeding season. They can eat up to 1 ton of food per day. They have a very cool way of catching food. One way they do it is working with the pod to concentrate fish into a location and then feast. This is done by swimming under the school of fish and blowing bubbles in a circular shape. The bubbles trap the fish in the middle and make them unable to get out. Once everything is in place, one of them will give a signal, and then all of them rise up at once and eat as many fish as possible. Another tactic they use is open their jaws really wide and suck up a large amount of fish along with the surrounding water. The force is so strong that the fish are unable to swim away. The whale then filters out the excess water, which leaves them with a belly full of fish. Migration takes place as winter and summer approach. During the summer, they live in the northern and southern parts of the globe, and during the winter, they will migrate to warmer, tropical waters. This migration is huge and can be up to 5,000 miles per trip, meaning that a humpback whale can travel up to 10,000 miles during a single year. The food they seek is much more plentiful in colder waters, which is why you can see them easily off the coast of Alaska in the summer months. Once winter comes, it can be very hard to survive in the rough conditions, so they will migrate to more comfortable waters, like in Mexico, Hawaii, or Japan. They have enough food stored up that they can survive while they breed. They can't stay forever in these waters because the food is scarce, so they'll migrate north to get in on the abundance of food. There used to be over 100,000 humpback whales a few hundred years ago, but they were hunted almost to extinction. The population dipped to just a few thousand, but has steadily been rising since the 1970s when commercial whaling was banned. This came as a result of massive public pressure and campaigns to save the whales from going extinct. There is still whaling that happens, but it is not legal and protected by the Endangered Species Act. These amazing creatures are resilient and must be protected to save our ecosystems and preserve their beauty.